Today I am reviewing the MSI Aegis R2 AI gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti graphics card, the Aegis R2 delivers outstanding graphics performance. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA games or running VR applications, this GPU ensures smooth frame rates, beautiful ray-traced visuals, and support for AI-powered features like NVIDIA DLSS. Gaming at high settings with crisp detail is effortless on this machine. One of the most notable aspects of this desktop is its advanced cooling system. The Aegis R2 uses an RGB CPU air cooler combined with 4 strategically placed system fans, 3 in the front pulling cool air in and 1 at the rear pushing hot air out. This design not only keeps the temperatures down during marathon gaming sessions, but also contributes to quieter operation. You get to game longer without worrying about overheating or noisy fans distracting you. Storage and memory-wise, the desktop doesn't disappoint either. It comes equipped with a massive 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM clocked at high speeds, which guarantees smooth multitasking and future-proofs your system for upcoming games and software. On top of that, the ultra-fast 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD provides lightning-quick load times, ample space for games, applications, and media, and makes overall system responsiveness snappy and fluid. The MSI Aegis R2 runs Windows 11 Home, which means you get the latest features and security updates from Microsoft. MSI does recommend upgrading to Windows 11 Pro for business users, but for gamers and general consumers, the Home Edition is packed with everything you need for a seamless user experience. Aesthetically, the Aegis R2 stands out with its modern, minimalist design highlighted by vibrant RGB lighting. You can customize the lighting effects easily by pressing the MSI LED button or through the MSI Center software for even deeper control. This lets you create the perfect gaming atmosphere tailored to your style. Connectivity is another strong point. The system includes multiple USB ports, including USB Type-C, allowing for versatile peripheral connections and fast data transfer. Networking is reliable, and VR-ready certification means it's optimized for a smooth and immersive virtual reality experience. In summary, the MSI Aegis R2 AI gaming desktop is an excellent choice for gamers and creators who want a robust, well-cooled, and stylish PC capable of handling the latest games and demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. From the powerful Intel Ultra 9 285 processor and NVIDIA RTX 5070Ti GPU to the fast DDR5 memory and spacious 2 TB SSD, every component is geared towards delivering a top-tier performance. If you're seeking a gaming desktop that combines performance, efficient cooling, and eye-catching design with the convenience of the latest Windows features, the MSI Aegis R2 should be at the top of your list.